Are you tired of being bombarded with likes notifications on Twitter? In this guide, we'll show you how to disable likes notifications from anyone on Twitter using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Begin by opening the Twitter platform on your PC. Step 2. Click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen, then select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Step 3. On the left-hand side of the screen, locate and click on the Web Notifications option. Step 4. Within the Notification Types menu, choose Preferences. Step 5. Click on Push Notifications to further customize your notification settings. Step 6. Under the Likes section, select the box next to Off to disable likes notifications. Step 7. Lastly, ensure to click on the Save Changes button to apply your updated notification preferences. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and reduce the number of likes notifications you receive on Twitter. Enjoy a more focused and personalized Twitter experience.